Today, I'll show you how to switch your InDesign document from facing pages to single pages and then get everything arranged so it's easy to work with. This is really useful if you started a project as a spread, like a book or magazine, and later realize you want each page to stand alone for things like flyers, posters, or individual PDF pages. First, let's open the Pages panel because that's where you'll be able to see and manage the structure of your document. If you don't already see the Pages panel on the right side of your workspace, go up to the top menu and choose Window, then select Pages. As soon as you do that, the Pages panel will appear, usually docking itself to the side. This panel shows you all the pages in your document, as well as any master pages you might be using, and it's a great way to get a quick overview of your layout. Next, we're going to turn off the Facing Pages option. That's the setting that creates spreads, where two pages sit side by side, like in a book. To change this, go to the top menu and click File, then choose Document Setup. A dialog box will pop up with several options for your document. Look for the checkbox labeled Facing Pages. If your document is currently using spreads, this box will be checked. Go ahead and uncheck Facing Pages. Once that box is unchecked, click OK to confirm your changes and close the dialog box. When you do this, InDesign converts your document from spreads into individual single pages. Instead of seeing two pages paired together, you'll now see a continuous sequence of single pages in the Pages panel. This doesn't delete any content, it just changes how the pages are structured and displayed. It's especially helpful if you're preparing a document for digital use, like a PDF where viewers will scroll through one page at a time. After switching to single pages, you may want to rearrange them to fine-tune the flow of your document. You can do this directly in the Pages panel. Hover over a page thumbnail until your cursor changes, then click and drag that page to a new position in the page order. As you drag, you'll see a small highlight line showing where the page will land. Release the mouse button to drop the page into its new spot. This lets you quickly reorder content without having to cut and paste anything on the layout itself. If your document is more complex, you can repeat this process with multiple pages, dragging each one where you want it until the reading order feels right. Use the thumbnails as a visual guide to keep track of which page is which. Finally, let's adjust the view so you can see each page clearly on your screen. A quick way to do this is to use the Fit page in Windows shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+0. On a Mac, press Command+0. This zooms your current page so it fits neatly inside the InDesign window, making it easier to see the whole layout at once without scrolling. You can move through your document page by page and use the same shortcut whenever you need to refit a page to the